What's going on, traders? Julian here, J. Lewis Trading. We got two triple-digit gainers to talk about today. First one I participated in. This is BSQR, and here it is. Pretty interesting day today. Moved up pre-market quite a bit. Set this key level back through here, something that I was watching, and this thing just started to work its way up the ladder. Really like this area right through here. Price action right in here. This is where I was buying, and this is where I was wanting to take price action too. Truth be known, I got in right through here at this squeeze, a little bit of a dip buy. Everything that I needed to see was right through here. I got this squeeze. You can see the participation level stepped up. There was a bit of a momentum shift, and ultimately I wanted to take price action for a ride up to 608. This was an optionable stock. There was a little bit of volume on the chain, so I decided to take it. Spreads weren't the best, but the idea here was if it actually goes to where I think it's going to go, these options will explode. Spoiler alert, I only got about 26% on the options that I was trading, but you can see right through here my entry was right, and actually it was right through here that I got out a little too early. It didn't reach up here, and what actually happened was I didn't give this thing enough time to come back and check the levels that I was trading. So there's that previous high. It broke out, I'm in, it starts to come back. I didn't wait to see if that level was going to hold. I got out way too early. You can see this thing consolidated, squeezed higher, and just put in some incredible highs. The same options that I was looking at that I got a 26% rip on, those things more than doubled. And if you would have gotten these options right at the bell, which nobody would have foreseen this, they actually saw a top out of 5,000%. That is 5,000 on the options. I mean, go and have a look at some of the options chains and the way that these particular options appreciated. This was an explosive move, and you can see that it closed up 172%. Now, I am hosting this workshop tomorrow night, and it's all about how to capture and trade this type of volatility, because people are surprised when this type of volatility presents itself. Truth be known is this stuff presents itself every day, over and over and over again. You simply have to know where to go. MRIN. This is another one that everybody's been talking about. Now, this is something that I actually put out in chat to our members, sent out an email about this, and this was actually a post-market alert that I did, and I simply said, you guys got to check this one out. MRIN. This thing it's been up now about 300 or 400%, I think. Pardon me, it's up 755% from where I actually put the initial word out that this was going to be moving. And for any of my members, go back in chat, have a look, check your emails. You'll see that this is something that I put out. I actually put this out in the Facebook group as well, the J. Lewis Trading Facebook group. And you can actually timestamp the date. And this is something that I said, that this is something simply you got to keep an eye on. You got to watch out for this stuff. The thing here about these trades is we never know how volatile they're going to get. It's simply about understanding that the potential is there and then sitting tight and waiting for it to happen. So this is just, again, it's a quick review. We had some massive triple-digit gainers that we were watching today and trading. MRIN is something that's been traded throughout the community. It was something that I put out ages ago, and as I'm looking at my list right through here that you guys probably can't see, there are 3 triple-digit gainers today. PBTS, this is more of an after-hours move. Of course, we've got MRIN, and then we've got XELA, very volatile move, and you can see that there's a lot of movement here from yesterday's close to today's open. And so there's a lot of movement out there, and there are a lot of stocks that are in play. And again, guys, it's just about understanding what to look for, and when the setup is there, sit tight and wait. Hope some of that helps. If you have any questions, Julian at jlewistrading.com, and please don't forget to register for tomorrow's workshop. There will be a link below in this video.